But first tonight, we are still working to learn more after a woman and child died following an incident at the Oval Springs Apartments in Independence. Now, it led to an officer firing his gun Thursday. Police have yet to confirm how the woman and child died. A team of investigators says they will release more information as they can. And while we wait, neighbors at that apartment complex, they're grieving and they're searching for answers and for ways to heal. Today, they were given an outlet to express what they're feeling.
The past few days for the community here at Oval Spring Apartments have been tragic after a police shooting left 2 people dead, including a young child. I'm Rachel Henderson, and I spoke with the management here who says they understand people are going through a tough time and they want to offer a solution.
Monday mornings are never easy, but Gavin Delaney's was particularly hard.
And I mean, even today, the energy here kind of is just eerie.
That energy is just one of the things left lingering after Thursday's police shooting at Oval Spring Apartments in Independence.
It was a tragedy. I mean, that's the bottom line. No one wanted this to happen.
There's also lingering questions.
I think it's even a little more tough being right outside and still having no concept of what happened.
Gavin says he was in the apartment to help de-escalate the situation before and after police arrived.
I was very surprised on how quickly things took a turn.
It was a chaotic scene for he and his boss, Carrie. The two of them share a philosophy.
It's not just a job to us.
Carrie's taken the lead to invite mental health specialists to the complex for residents this week.
I think this whole situation stemmed from mental health, people that were not mentally healthy.
We actually had a staff member, a co-responder that was on site with the police officers.
Julie Pratt's staff with Comprehensive Mental Health Services was at the complex Monday. They'll be on site Tuesday for residents too.
I'm here to offer support, allow individuals to talk through the situation that they experienced, how they're feeling.
From firsthand experience.
It just helps to talk.
And when words fail.
That if they really need anything, that we truly are here.
Not just today, she says, but every day.
Management says it's currently planning a candlelight vigil in honor of the deceased child to be held this Friday at 7 p.m. right in front of the apartment where the incident happened. They're encouraging members of the public to attend. Reporting in Independence, I'm Rachel Henderson, KSHB 41 News.